So it sounds like it's running good, but I don't know if you can hear the pitch of the motor is getting higher and higher, and then it stops. And like it sounds like it's working, but it will not draw any moisture from the air. It just, this little well here just stays completely dry. So I don't know.
Okay, so this is the chamber where the water is collected. As you can see, this is not flat. It's the only way the water goes in and the water goes out. There is no other tabs or anything that you can open. And since it's not flat, this happens. It is very hard to get that last bit of water. I mean, you have to shake it, but there's always gonna you're always gonna have a little bit of water in there. So I don't know if it might get moldy, I don't know. I think it's a little bad design they had there. But other than that, I really like how it works. That's my only concern there.
So here is my dehumidifier. To turn it on, you just press that. It's very, very quiet. In the back, we have the tank. It has a nice look to it also. And then it notifies you if it's full. Right now mine is empty. And you can see the tank from the front also.
Okay, bought this NineSky Dehumidifier, model H2. Had it for about 3 to 4 months, and the fan started making a noise, and then it has now seized up, completely hot on the top and on the sides, and it is not running at all. The fan has stopped. So I spent $50, almost $60 some for this to be delivered, and in 3 to 4 months it has stopped working. Please, people, if I were you, do not buy this.